small changes in plants can sometimes signal a bigger problem. Research often links this condition to calcium deficiency. Plants experiencing this issue may show signs such as calcium deficiency is relatively uncommon but can occur in sandy soils, particularly during dry periods. Common symptoms include poor tillering and poorly developed panicles and grains. In rice, calcium deficiency may cause newly emerging leaves to become deformed, while leaf tips may curl or become necrotic. Roots may remain short, thin, poorly developed, and may eventually deteriorate. Because calcium is relatively immobile within plants, deficiency symptoms generally appear first in young leaves and developing shoots. Young leaves may develop brown necrotic spots before curling or becoming distorted. Mature and older leaves are often less affected. The root system may develop poorly, causing plants to wilt and remain stunted. Calcium deficiency can significantly interfere with root development and function, and may also increase the plant's susceptibility to iron toxicity under certain conditions. Several factors can contribute to this, including the symptoms described above are often related not simply to the amount of calcium present in the soil, but to the plant's ability to absorb and transport it. Calcium movement within the plant is closely associated with water uptake and transpiration. This is why newly developing leaves and shoots are usually affected first. In loamy or waterlogged soils, calcium may dissolve and move toward plant roots more readily. In sandy soils, however, poor water holding capacity can increase the risk of drought stress and reduce calcium uptake. Low soil pH, high salinity, and certain soil chemical conditions can also contribute to calcium deficiency. In general, maintaining a suitable soil pH is important for effective calcium availability and uptake. You may first try organic solutions like calcium-containing materials such as limestone, basalt powder, dolomite, gypsum, and other suitable lime-based amendments can be used to improve calcium availability when soil conditions indicate a need. Adding organic matter through compost or organic fertilizers can also improve soil structure and water retention, helping create more favorable conditions for calcium uptake. In more advanced situations, treatments may involve to help protect plants from this issue. Test the soil pH and calcium status to determine whether amendments are needed. Avoid excessive use of ammonium-based fertilizers, as they can contribute to nutrient imbalances and may interfere with calcium availability. Take care not to damage plant roots during cultivation or field operations. Maintain a stable and appropriate water level in rice fields to support consistent nutrient uptake. Regularly inspect plants for early symptoms and remove severely affected plant material when appropriate. Add organic matter such as organic, mulch, compost, or well-decomposed organic fertilizer to improve soil structure and moisture retention. Overall, remember that young leaves may develop scattered yellow or brown spots and become curled or deformed. Poor tillering and reduced flower or seed development may occur. Plants may also show wilting, weak root development, and slow or stunted growth. Follow the channel for more plant care knowledge.